Hey guys, hey Goz Squad, welcome to my channel today. My name is Edozie, and if this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. Today's tutorial promises to be very interesting. We're starting off with our brows, and for my brows I'm using the Mabrook brown brow pencil. I'm outlining my brows first and then filling them in with really light strokes. When doing this, you really want to go in light-handed so you have a natural looking brow. To clean my brows up, I'm using the Edozie Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee, and I'm doing this with the applicator that it came with. I was too lazy to get a brush, so I just kind of winged this part. Guys, can you see the level of concentration? I'm trying so hard to make sure I don't ruin my brows. The struggle to get a perfect brow is real. I'm blending that concealer into my skin with a brush, and after that's done, I'll go ahead to prime my eyes. Okay, I did one eye off camera because I wasn't sure of the look I was going for. So to prime, I used the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and for my crease color, I'm taking this burnt orange shade from the Margaret Ekpo eyeshadow palette, and I'm just putting that in my crease. I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm taking that shade Lucid and I'm putting it on my lid. This is going to serve as our lid color. And so for the outer part of my eye, I'm going back into that Margaret Ekpo palette, and I'm picking up that pinkish burgundy shade, and I'm just patting it into my skin at the outer part and then dragging it a little bit. I'm not trying to mess with the color I have on my crease, so I'm just dragging it in lightly. Jeez, talking is so difficult. For liner, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty waterproof eyeliner. I love the pen that this comes with. It's really easy, so I use it most of the time. I'm drawing on a wing, and for my skin, I'm going to be priming with the Edozie Pro Prep primer. Foundation today, we're going to use the Jordana Complete Cover Maximum Coverage foundation. This foundation comes off reddish in the beginning, but it oxidizes really well, and I like the coverage it gives. For highlight, I use two highlighters. This is the Edozie Pro Conceal, still in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be using Colourpop No Filter Concealer in light because I wanted a bit of a light highlight, and this gave me that. So I'm just putting that in the parts of my face I want to be a bit lighter than the others. I'm blending this in with the same brush I used in applying my foundation. I'm just tapping the concealer into my skin, trying to leave it in the area I want it to stay. I'm not spreading it or anything. And to set this concealer, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and a beauty sponge. I'm just pushing the powder into my skin. That way the concealer lasts all day and my makeup is flawless. To set the rest of my face, using the Edozie Pro Coverage powder. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. I live close to an airport, and the planes just keep flying by. That's why I find it really difficult to do talk through videos, because it's either there are planes flying by or my neighbors are making noise. For under my eye, I went back into the Margaret Ekpo palette and I used that pinkish burgundy shade. And for my inner corner, I'm going to be using a bit of glitter. I'm applying my glitter glue right now. I do not remember the name, and then putting on my silver glitter just for a bit of drama. And I love the way it came out. I look really good. Up to the lips, I went ahead to use my blush and
my highlights, really subtle highlights. For the lips, we're going to be using the marble brown eye pencil and the classic Makeup USA lip gloss in Hot Splash. So I'm lining my lips with the brown pencil, and I'm going in with Hot Splash in the middle. And after applying that, I went in with a brush to blend it in together. And that's all, guys. I love the way this turned out. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. If this is your first time, please take a minute to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.